Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we will talk about Sweeperboard, how it's work, and I will run this script to show you a demo. The Sweeperboard basically a script attached with a wallet to transfer funds instantly. You want to close or don't want to use your wallet address in the future, but your funds arrive in this wallet, so you can attach this script. So as the funds received in this your wallet, it will transfer the funds to the next new wallet. This type of script mostly attach with a compromised wallet, like if you lose private key of your wallet and the scammer attach a Sweeperboard with your wallet. And sometimes many users comes and ask they have stake some USDC or some USDT or other coins on staking platforms, and they have to unstake and withdraw the funds. So with this code, this is able to withdraw the funds without any paying gas fees. Let me show you an example here, like a wallet. We don't have enough ETH in this wallet if we want to withdraw funds from this wallet. Like, I will send some tokens in this wallet and also withdraw without paying any gas fees here. Let me start the script. Okay, so our script is running and it's checking the token balance we already mentioned. So there is no token inside this wallet address right now. I will send the tokens from my other account to this wallet, and the script instant transfer tokens to the other wallet. We also can see here details. Okay, so we sent the tokens, 800 tokens. Okay, as you can see here, the 800 tokens received, and it's transferred instantly without any delay. We have to keep refresh because uh, it will take some time to show the data on the scanner, because our script is very fast. Yeah, sure. Okay, as you can see, have just only a 12-second, like a only one block and uh, difference, like the 800 tokens comes here in the last 84 and the next 85, so only one block have distance our token transfer to other account. So even what is the purpose of this script? This is gas sponsored. We don't need to funds this wallet with the gas fees, because already scammer attach a Sweeperboard with this wallet. When we funds send fund to this wallet, bot take these funds, so we are not able to withdraw these tokens.